Hey guys, thank you for being here. I am right now actually looking at this, but the way it looks now, I'm not sure if it's gonna go back and confirm it. But confirmation must be above 45. I will not touch it, even though it's above 40, whatever above VWAP right here, right? Me personally, I will not touch this until I see it reach that 45. If it doesn't, by all means, I'll be just watching it. PN PM, we go here. We did confirm. If you look on the 5 minutes here, I'm gonna move these a little bit, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna move them that way. Oh, I didn't mean to delete it, bro. Anyway, we can move them a little bit here. That way, they're out of the candles. Okay, confirmation should be here. I don't know why the box is so large, and we'll do the arrow basically. And if we go back on, let's see, we're gonna lock these up. That way they don't move. And if we go back on the minute, let me see here. How many minutes did we have above that line here? Not a lot, actually. We had it before, right here. Huh. So since we started watching, actually, it did not confirm yet. We need to confirm it above 1740. That confirmation happened earlier, and that was a nice move right there. So I needed to confirm above 1740. So confirmation, guys, for me personally is minimum 3 to 5 candles on the minute, like what happened here. Do you see what happened here? We need it to repeat itself right there. If it does, we'll see a move to 19, maybe to the 20s, maybe more. But we have to have confirmation above that line, like we did here. So that's what we're watching for, basically. And same goes for GCTK, guys. It needs to confirm above 45. Just a single spike right there does not break it. Makes sense? Like we have to have solid structure above this 45 area, like right here. Like minimum 3 to 5 candles on the minute, and then we'll see 50s. If that doesn't happen, by all means, we're gonna leave this alone. CYCU is halted at 113. This is one of the craziest moves. I don't know. You guys, we analyzed this morning. I'm a little salty now because I exited like a little below 70 cents, and I thought that was it. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but like I took it from 55 cents. So from 55 to 70, that's over 20%. That was a hell of a day trade. I mean, you can't speculate all the way to a move that's 300% as a day trader. I'd rather just get confirmed 10, 15% here and there rather than just hold it all the way through. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful hold if you look at it now retrospectively, right? Easier to say it than just actually do it. But I'm cool with that 20% we got from it. Maybe I'll have to chart it again and FOMO with like 100 shares and see if we can, because the way it's going now, this could do like 1,000% maybe at this point. Really, I'm not even kidding. But this is speculation, guys. It's not like I'm breaking down the charts and trying to see it like the way we do always. Now the chart one is this one right here. If this breaks above 45 again, at some point, I think we will see 50s. But if it doesn't, by all means, I don't think that's gonna happen. And you guys, I'm sorry I have it on mute and I have some music in the background. I'm home today. I have the kids around me and everything here. Anyway, so the confirmations always, guys, like as you see, like I have to wait 5 minutes minimum above those lines that I established for myself to confirm the move that's going to happen on PN. It's such a volatile stock that it would go to 740, 720, 1680, 740, I mean 1740. Does that make sense? With that being said, I still want to watch for complete price action above 1740. Like it could go 1780, dip back 1740, but if it dips back below 1740, it's not there yet. It has to maintain itself for minimum 3 to 5 minutes above that line. Even with the dips, it has to be above 1740. If that happens, the move is confirmed then. And you guys, if you see my alert up there, CYCU watching for a buildup over 55, this was the alert. We watched it, and I can go back and show you guys what we did. And yeah, of course, it's 135 now and halted or whatever. It's about to get halted. But here's what we watched for, guys. We were watching for it here. I traded it some here, but then it was here when we alerted it, right? And I was like, I'm gonna wait until it gets to 54, confirms above it. It did confirm complete 5 minutes above it. You can see it on the minute candle here, and it hit the 70, the target. That was a 25% trade. So by all means, I know it went crazy afterwards, but I took 25%. That's amazing. I'm still happy about it. I chased it a little bit now, made like $15. Just very quick, 100 shares, 115 to like 130, whatever. And but as far as the trade itself, like if I want to put a lot of money into trade, nope, I'm not gonna put into this one now. Even if it goes 1,000%, I'm okay. I took 20% from it earlier. So if I put in 5K, that's $1,000, just hypothetically. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay with just kind of like getting like $20 here, $15 here from it for now because I did the trade on it. Now I'm watching other ones that I may actually go heavy on if they confirm. GCTK is one of them. I still need it to go above 45, even if it's above the VWAP, even though the volume is higher than average. You can see the volume here is 87 million, and the average is only 5.5, with relatively, I'm not going to say a super low float, but relatively a lower float for the price. Makes sense. So hypothetically speaking, somebody with $4 million can push it up really well for us. So maybe a whale is waiting for after lunch. It's like lunchtime in New York now. So we'll see. I'm not going to speculate and I'm not going to do anything about it until it gets to 45 and it starts building above it, 3 to 5 candles. I think then we'll see 50 and it's the same play as CYCU, guys. It has to be confirmed first. Yeah, of course, obviously it's better and more beautiful if I took CYCU from 44 rather than 54, but I'd rather take less percentage with more confirmation. You guys, how many candles have we counted over that line of 1740? Like this is again, remember my live sessions are more on the educational side. GCTK, I'm about to sell, bro. Right here. Let's look at it, bro. Hold on. Let's look at GCTK. Congratulations, guys. That's another one right here, you know? Did you guys watch GCTK? Let me know if you did, okay? Let me know in the comments, please. Well, I'm gonna stop the music. Let me know, guys. What do you think? Yo, guys, this is just an amazing trade, honestly. I already hit the sell. I'm okay with it, you know? But you can see from 45 to 54, that is almost 20%. Life as it happened, guys, right there in front of you. We waited for it until it broke above that line. Yeah, some people might say, well, the confirmation was 3 to 5 candles. It didn't take that long. By all means, I'm not here to, speculate all that. But typically, I wait for confirmation. But I was in the trade, and I can't um, tell you guys I'm in the trade or I'm not in the trade because the SEC would be on my butt. So we're not going to do that. It's only educational. I am breaking down the charts that way you guys can learn how to do it and basically learn how to trade it on your own, you know? So congratulations if you learned something today. If you want to know how I put the lines at 45 and 50 and all these lines, let me know. I can actually go down and break them down again for you. Throw that in the comments. Message me, text me if you need anything. As long as it's not a financial advice, as long as you're not asking me like, should I buy this or sell this, I will definitely explain and answer. And I'm home. Sorry for the background noise. It can't get raw more than this, you know. But the mission is the same, guys. You know, so far this is the third trade that generated really well. Great day, even if I'm home. You guys, I am going to do a swing alert here for myself. I actually bought some. It's YYAI. YYAI has been sold, oversold for 3 days in a row. If you look at it on the hour chart right here, not a single bounce from like $11 to 18 cents. Speculating here, guys, could go another 20% down maybe from here. I don't know, honestly. There's no chart reading on it. I'm not reading the chart, but I could see the RSI stabilizing on the hour. Let's look at it on the 30 minutes, stabilizing a little bit. It did stabilize earlier, kicked back up a little bit. So I think it'll see a bounce from here, from the 18 into that 20s, mid 20s, maybe more. If it goes to 20, just 20 from here, that's over 10% on that swing trade. So yeah, by all means, I may take that. You guys, I'm a little salty. I'm not gonna lie now. Seeing it at 146 because I literally had this at 40 cents this morning. Actually, the first one I bought, I think was 37 cents. But I'm a day trader, man, and I'm telling you, if you look at the turnover rate, let's look at the turnover rate, and I think those have been turned over so many times between traders. Nobody really holds through all the way from 40 to $1.40. That just doesn't happen in day trading. Maybe someone, maybe if you're on a plane or you're traveling, you don't know what's going on. Yeah, you're probably holding this, but the turnover, there's not even a percentage here, but the range is way up 400%. So meaning the same shares have been turned over so many times already. Um, wow, GCTK is at 58 cents, guys, right here. So congratulations. You really like that's an awesome trade. I already sold. So maybe like a little salty. I'm not. I took my 15% on that trade, so I'm okay, you know? 5. Why? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? تعالي احكي لي طيب. A pool? What about the beach? Yeah, can you check?
Check what? Check what?
If we have high waves?
Another cereal. What are other?
هلا بحط لك اياها.
Oreo. There's Oreo right here. Where is it?
Oh, sorry guys, I didn't know that I was not on mute. All the back noise. I'm home today. I have the kids for the summer, so I trade from home, but the mission is still the same, you know. Hit that follow and like, guys. I turn on the stream for free. This is a paid stream, by the way. I don't know if you know this, but people pay to watch this, okay? But I turn it free for my followers every single day for about an hour to 2 hours. So that way I'm not like exclusive, you know? But GCTK hit 66 cents, guys. You watch it live, it happened raw in front of you. So let's watch this. Already, if you think about it, up 10%. Does journalists have to visit Laguna Beach today? Let me see. What about we're gonna go not Laguna Beach. We're gonna go to Seal Beach because it's less tourists there. Less people. There's a lot of tourism here. There's a lot of tourists on these beaches like Laguna, Huntington Beach. So we're gonna go to Seal Beach. That way, it's just the locals go there, Bubba.
Is it far away?
No. What Seal Beach look like today? Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach after this. You know. Clean surf in the morning, turning slightly choppy by the afternoon. See, choppy waves like running for
45.
steady selling wall.
But
Hmm.
ask how about
What's the temperature, right? $74, highest is 77. No, girl, that's not gonna be good for the beach today.
the
Yeah, it won't. You don't want 77 on the beach is gonna be cold. This is the Pacific. I mean, we can go.
is it gonna be cold?
Yeah, it will be cold, Baba. Yeah, let me work. Go.
How about my cereal?
You want cereal?
Did
Okay,
you
I'll
like
be back, guys.
forget about it
Sorry.
or something?
And as you guys can see, most of the trades that I do are stocks that are already up. I like doing it that way. I like just hitting that volume and just pure technical, right? If a stock is up to 100% and I can know and confirm that I can get 10 to 20% within that move, I'll take it better than just waiting for something to move. I've been trading for so long, guys. People that know me, they've seen me trade even before COVID, and this is the best way, basically, for me personally, because I've tried so many ways. I've tried getting into stocks before they even move, and sometimes it can take days. I don't like that. I like to just hit those high volume stocks, and then from there, take me 10, 15% each time. Do it 5 times a day. That's enough times, bro. It's better than just waiting for anything, right? So anyway, so this is just my daily screen, all right? I look for turnover rates. I look for volume that's higher than average. You can tell here there's a lot that are higher than average here, so we can look at them whether on the bullish side or on the bearish side and see what's going on. Um, so let's look at a maze. Today is only up 1% on that higher volume than average. SXTC is up 34%. Let's look at this one here because it does have 74 millions on average of 9, and it's only up 3%. Currently way below VWAP, so I don't think that's something that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna turn off the music, guys. Currently, it's way below VWAP, so I don't think I'm gonna like take it seriously here. Does that make sense? Even though the volume is higher than average, it is way below that line. So we're gonna leave this on the side for now, but keep it on watch. Yeah, not very exciting. I'm gonna just keep it on watch for now. Let's look to the hot ones, bro. Like that's what I like. I don't like these slow ones. I like the hot ones, you know? You guys can see this one is halted at $13, right? But you see that volume at 28,000 shares is actually way below the average volume for the stock for the past 3 months. So it moved almost 50% on very low volume. Kind of risky. We're gonna have to watch and see what happens when it opens, and then I'll start charting it up. If I can find myself a 10, 15, 20% trade within, confirmed, by all means, we're gonna take it. But volume is way below average volume for the stock. That for it to move 450, I'm sorry, 50% on very low volume, good and bad basically at the same time. So we'll see what happens. We'll get back to it. I mean, PN did confirm, if you think about it, like how many minutes do we have above it here? So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna play some music, guys. I'm home. There's a lot of back noise. That's why I'm playing music, keeping it quiet for you, okay? But I'm here, and we'll see what happens.